Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to get number row on iPhone keyboard. By default, the iPhone's built-in keyboard doesn't have a dedicated number row. You need to tap 1, 2, 3 key or access the numbers, but you can add a number row using a third-party keyboards. And this is how to use it. You can go to the App Store and download Gboard. And then after that, go to the settings and click General and then select Keyboards. And click Keyboards and add a new keyboard. Then here select Gboard and tap the Gboard and allow a full access. Then open any app where you type, then tap the globe icon to switch to Gboard. You'll now see the number row at the top of the keyboard. And the method too is you can download the Microsoft SwiftKey. Just follow the same instructions above. And if you want to keep the Apple's default keyboard, you need to stick with the 1, 2, 3 since the iOS doesn't support a permanent number row natively. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.